Hi guys. Now, if you're going to start a drawing, you should always have some references. It is always better to work from reference than completely from imagination. When you go to start drawing in Photoshop, you can open some new files for your references, and this is really nice because if you have extra files open in Photoshop with your reference images, you can use your color picker tool to copy some of the colors in the reference to get a more accurate depiction. If you would like to use a third-party program, there's a program called PureRef. PureRef is cool because it allows you to have all of your references up on your display, and you can move them around your display however you find comfortable. You cannot color pick them like you can if you just open another Photoshop document, because they're not actually open in Photoshop, but at least they're all up for you to see. You can find a download link for PureRef in the description of the video. Remember, always work from reference. Even professionals do it. It's not cheating. And happy painting.